Okay, this is a sneak peek at some footage from the Runcam Split 3 Nano. This is the one with the 14mm mount and the M8 lens. Some of the questions I've had from people are, what's the field of view difference? It seems about the same. The footage seems about the same as the Split version 2 with the M12 lens. The board, the 20x20 board seems the same, but they have now, instead of that ribbon cable, there's like the same cable that the Turtle comes with, like the multiple strands of wires that are bundled together. I think that gives more flexible options for mounting. And the sensor unit is different from the version 2 here, obviously with the 14mm mount. And then on the other version, the mini version, which there's no footage in this video from that one looks just like the version 2 with the M12 lens. Now, in terms of the FPV feed, it's supposed to be a little bit better, or supposed to be improved from the version 2, but to me it looks almost the same, maybe just a touch better, but it still looks pretty muddy to me. And also in terms of latency, it's saying that's 40 milliseconds latency. That's probably right. I think that's the same as what it was before. I hadn't noticed any latency issues with the version 2, so if you're worried about latency, I don't think it's any better, but I don't think it's any worse than it was before. Anyway guys, I'll have a full review video a little bit later, but I wanted to get this footage out because a lot of people were interested in what the footage looked like from the Nano version of the Split Mini 3. And yeah, I think they did a good job. Obviously they got the weight down to about 10.5 grams. But the image quality seems pretty similar. So this is just footage from default settings, and I'll have another section a little later in the video where you'll see some tweak settings where I try to get a little bit better of image so I can do some post-processing, and then I'm going to show you some color grading at the very end. But anyway, full video will be coming up a little bit later.